Oh gosh, I'm scared.
They're gonna come up so fast. There he is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
that is
Look
a
at the size of that one.
giant.
Look at the size of that one.
That's 700, 800.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, I'm getting scared, bro.
Oh yeah, it is. That was a big one. They're both like 300 pounders. Gets me every time, dude.
If you guys like top water eats, it don't get no better than this. What do you watch this? Watch this. Hi!
That's a big one, dude.
I think he ate it.
Set up. Got him.
Max, help me. Back me up. Here we go, I got him. Oh my gosh.
You got him.
Yeah, I got him.
That's a big one. 300-400 pounds.
There he is.
Big one, dude.
That's 300.
That's 300 almost.
He's not as big as the boat, but he's good size.
That one hurt.
Okay, that's called a lens cleaning time right there. I mean, glasses, face, everything just got totally soaked. Look at that fish. Are you kidding me? Like, that's a giant. Oh my gosh. Bro, Goliath groupers, you guys gotta come try this. These are legit dinosaurs. Look at this thing. It's bigger than me. This thing is giant. Look at that. Yo, you ready?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready. Let's get it.
We're about to get the world's greatest top water eat. That's the biggest one ever! Oh my gosh!
That's a giant.
Oh my gosh!
That's a giant,
Yo,
dude.
Max, get ready. Ready.
I am.
Pull. Help me pull. Stop. He dropped.
You dropped it?
No, he got it.
You got it?
Pull.
Dude, that's a giant.
We got him, bro. There he is. Oh my gosh! Dude! Oh my gosh!
This is scary.
Dude, hold on. We got him, bro. Dude, we got him. We can't lose this fish, bro. We can't lose this. This is the biggest fish ever. Dude. This is the biggest Goliath ever. Don't lose him. Oh my gosh. No, guys. This is Goliath waist. He's bigger than the boat. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, let him slide.
Yeah, I got him.
Guys, this is this fish. Whoa! Oh my god! Guys, you don't understand. This is 700 pounds. This thing is the biggest thing you've ever seen in your life. Dude, that weighs more than your boat, bro.
That's a big one, dude.
That weighs more than your boat, bro.
That's a barnacle.
That weighs way more. Yeah, he ain't done yet, folks. Come on, dude. Just let him come.
That's a 500 pounder, dude.
Woo! First thing first, let's get this line out, dude. Oh my gosh, Max, you got him?
I got him.
Bro,
he's done.
No joke, guys. Yeah, he's done, all right.
He's done, dude.
Yeah, he's done. This is a big male, bro. Okay, let's get this jerry rig out of here.
Yeah.
See where this thing goes.
You just gotta cut it, probably.
Okay. Bolt cutters are gone. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was not good. It's a good thing the mics are waterproof. Dude,
Yeah.
I'm so glad there's no sharks here right now.
Yeah, I'm so glad
I
that
probably
rope
would have had a
didn't
panic
I'm
attack.
so glad that rope didn't get caught in you.
Dude.
I would have let it go.
Yeah. Dude, so that tells you how powerful this fish are, dude. I've done that with 500-pound Goliath groupers. 500-pound bull sharks. And we can hold that fish with one turn of his head, pull me off my feet and in the water. Look at the size of that fish, guys. That's a giant. That's a dinosaur. Oh my gosh. This fish is over 500 pounds. There's no way. This thing is so big, like stupid. This is a dinosaur. This fish might be 70 years old. What's crazy about Goliath groupers, actually they're hermaphrodites. This is actually amazing. He gave us a lot of entertainment. We're gonna pull this hook over now. Just like that. Look at that hook that came up. And we're gonna help him get down. He's gonna go. There he goes. Watch. He's gonna bolt.
Good one.
Bro.